Alright guys, so as I said in the last video, the next video you see, the truck's probably going to be painted. I might throw out a few other clips that I got here and there, but I did not really get the opportunity to record us masking it and all the prep work that went into it. The last video, I think, basically what we had was we had a DA'd and we had some Bondo on it that we were currently sanding. We're just doing some body work. Since then, it's been painted, and this, if you're wondering, this is the color. It's a primer gray. It pretty much is primer from Eastwood. And for the first time that we've painted anything with an actual gun, I mean, it came out alright. It was a huge learning curve with this. A lot of learning was involved, and it's good we did it, because maybe the next time we do it, it'll be a lot better. But for what the purpose of what we wanted this to look like, this is perfect. It wasn't going to be some shiny show truck that nobody could touch the paint of. I mean, none of our vehicles are really like that, but it's really starting to get wrapped up here. We still need to probably align a few panels, definitely align the hood. It also needs a spring. No, it is not going to have a front bumper. If we want, we can put those Flareside badges back on it. I mean, it's not mandatory, but we'll probably end up doing it. I think the gray and the wheels really makes the wheels pop. This rear bumper, sorry, I just got this message on my phone. I'm recording with my phone. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with this yet. In my opinion, I want it to just come off. The thing already looks like an animal anyways, but you see this weird gap here now because of that 3-inch body lift. So, my opinion, I kind of want to just take it off. The only body panel not straight on this entire truck is the tailgate. There's no saving this thing. If we come across a nice one for a good price, we'll definitely pick it up, because every single, I'm going to try to go over this, every single panel on this truck is straight. This thing is very, very straight. There are no dents, dings, scratches. The weird spottiness you see is just the look of what it's going to look like. And we can sand it down a little bit. That's just primer. That's not dense or anything. But I mean, it wasn't meant to look super pretty. But overall, compared to what it used to look like, guys, if you see those last video clips, or that last video that I posted, or even the original video, I mean, this is a whole lot cleaner and better. Those shocks you see with that light, got those popping right there. That's another thing that I'm going to be doing tomorrow that I'm going to record for this video. Actually, I just finished taking all the tape off today. I put those windshield wipers on and the antenna on. Just little stuff, final stuff that I've been doing. I took these shocks off on Saturday. Sorry, I'm getting loads of track of the days. I'm going to put these shocks on tomorrow after we spray a little more. My flash isn't on, but shiny, good black on the frame. Some other components, the differentials, it will kind of look like here. The light's over here, so I could give you a better. Yeah, it's kind of what we're going for. As you see how nice the frame looks up here. Definitely at some point I would like the whole truck to kind of look like that. So we're gonna try our best. Then once we have it all painted in the back, all that black for the undercarriage of the truck, we'll be throwing those shocks on. We're going crazy looking for these boots. Gonna throw these boots on the shocks and we'll be good to go. I got the door panels on this weekend as well. You can see on that side too. Even slightly jammed the thing, so that's a first. We usually don't do that here at DVR, so it is jammed. Yeah, it's just looking really good, I think. Really good. So once it comes out of the garage, I think it's gonna be a whole different beast. I mean, it's been in here since end of February, early March. And it's definitely been, it's gotten a pretty nice makeover. Really nice. And we've got huge, this is like stage 1 of what's to come for this thing. We've got some huge plans for what's going under that hood. Some very big plans, and that's going to be a really fun part of this build, even though this was a really fun part as well. So next clip, I'm going to be throwing those shocks on. Hopefully I remember to record it and show you some of the final things before we pull it out, so stay tuned. So it's the next day. This is probably going to be, I don't want to say one of the final videos of this part of the build, but definitely starting to wrap things up on Flareside, so I'll show you those in a second. But first thing I'm going to be doing today is installing these shocks. These are rough country. They're good shocks. They look good, so we're using them. These are actually, sorry for the camera shaking, but they're I think they're pretty nice. These are what I used for my front steering stabilizers on my truck, the black 350. So they're also, I mean, they're just, for what they are, they're really nice shocks. I mean, we've got them up front here with the red boots. Also for that stabilizer, so they look good. So I'm gonna get these on, put the boots on them, and show you how they look. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So a little bit of time later, I got the shocks on. For the last clip I was telling you I was going to do these shocks, these rear shocks, and let me tell you, I literally went through war to get these on. Pretty much the issue was, you know, the top went on that stud really easily. So I'll show you. I'll try to show you. If you look here, you see this, how thick it is. This bracket this bolts onto, way narrower than that shock. Let me show you the old one to give you an idea. It was way narrower. So pretty much end of story is this. There was no way this was fitting in between this bracket. So I fought it, bent it here and there. Well, it's in now, and the annoying part is you can't even really tell what I went through to get them on. Once you tighten it and get it in, I mean, the bracket kind of bends back to a normal looking shape. I wish I took a picture as to what it looked like. But not your typical shock install. Very frustrating, but they're on. They look really good now. Got the boots on. You can kind of see how the undercarriage has been painted a nice gloss black. Looks really good. You see that rear diff there. Frame. Sorry, I can't get the best angles here with my iPhone. Let's see. All in here, all gloss black. Looks really good overall. So, here's a better shot. Definitely looks good. But man, those brackets. I wish I could show you here. I'm gonna show you now. You see this? See how narrow these are? So maybe this will give you guys a better idea. I've got the old shock here. You see how narrow this metal piece is compared to that? You know, you kind of see what I'm saying? That's the war that I fought with this. I really can't tell you. I mean, like, you see, basically the rubber part's not what you're worried about. It's that metal part, and God, you see how much thicker that is. So I'm not sure They were the wrong shocks. These could be custom brackets on the bottom. They kind of look a little custom, I don't know. But they were not fitting in there, and neither was I sending these shocks back at this point. I mean, this thing's gotta get out of here pretty soon. So, wasn't letting that hold it up. Got a pry bar and started working with it, and they're in now. So the truck's looking really good now. I got the windows Windexed. Got all that dust off. I think I got a ton of dust on it. So you can kind of see. So the windows, I don't know why I cut out. The windows are clean. Windows are clean, and at this point, I mean, really, this is what I was going to show you earlier. We actually took this off this parts truck that we've got that I'm going to be introducing to the channel really soon. It's not just a parts truck, but anyways, it's a Super Duty F350, and these are really heavy, good front hooks. So we took them off, and we're going to mount them onto the frame here. The lighting in here is so bad. So either in there, it'll be like this way, or we're thinking maybe something like that up top or below. I think they'll definitely look good. They're really heavy duty looking, so that's really that's just about it. This thing's really coming to an end, so thank you guys for watching. Got those wiper blades on last night, everything, so all those really small little things are starting to get wrapped up with, and we'll be out of here in no time. So the next video you guys see this thing, it's gonna be rolling out of the garage. We're gonna take it for its first little test drive. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. I'll see you guys then. Also, comment if you want to see 2-inch spacers on this thing. See you in the next video.